Have a new iPhone? Struggling to transfer data from your old phone, or have you already been using your new phone and missed the best time to transfer data? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the tenorshare channel. Today's video will show you 3 methods to solve this problem. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Use Quick Start to transfer data. Before we get started, there are a few preparations you need to make. First, make sure both your old and new phones are with you and remain so until the transfer process is complete. Secondly, ensure both phones are connected to Wi-Fi, have Bluetooth turned on, and have sufficient battery life, at least 60%, to last until the transfer process is complete. Once everything is ready, you can pick up your new iPhone and go to Settings, tap General, and find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, you can erase all the data on your new iPhone. After the process is complete, the device will restart and display the Hello screen. Then, a window will pop up on your old iPhone. Select Continue and follow the on-screen instructions to proceed to the next steps. The transfer process will take some time, depending on the size of your data. Once completed, all your apps and data will be fully transferred to your new iPhone. If you don't have the previous iPhone, you can try the following method. Method 2. Restore iCloud backup to transfer data. As long as you've backed up your previous phone's data, you can transfer data even if the old phone is not around. Using iCloud backup can solve this problem, but you need to make sure that your old device has backup enabled. First, tap General and find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here you need to erase it and start the process over. After you turn on your new iPhone, follow the prompts until the Quick Start screen appears. Then tap Setup without another device and follow the prompts. On Transfer your apps and data screen, choose Form iCloud Backup and follow the prompts, which include signing into your Apple account. Method 3. Use iCareFone to transfer data. iCareFone is an all-new, incredibly convenient, and fast mobile backup software. It can back up 100 GB of data in just 20 minutes. It supports backing up all types of data. I've placed the download link in the comments section. Go ahead and download it to experience the magic. First, connect your old iPhone to the computer. Then, open iCareFone and select the Backup and Restore option. You can choose to back up all data or select only the specific parts you want to back up from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. Once the backup is complete, you can view the backed up content within the software. Next, switch to your new iPhone and connect it to the computer. Open iCareFone and select the Backup and Restore option. Choose to restore all data or select specific items to restore. Then select Restore to Device and wait for iCareFone to restore the selected data to your new iPhone. Once the process is complete, you can see that all the data you needed to back up has been successfully transferred to your new phone. This tool is really convenient and fast. If you think so too, click the download link to give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, or if you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you in the next video.